there are two major areas.
Okay.
I koso.
There one.
Bako ye baby I call your friends. Maternity.
Right.
Na didn't tap. And the second one, baby I do.
I didn't hear sa baby mienu way and ade no koso.
Say hona crofo e wa him. So wo cost services din nyina wi a wo kwa doctor hwewa. Say skasem bia ni ho. Wo ko baby na e say e kasa kire wa bibia ni ho. But yem fan say obi a wo kwa awo so wa ko no hu o wa him no ho a kire no. Di wo kasa won tua bibia obetua because owu eyem kwani owo na wakoto nti e ho na nkrofo so take advantage no omode yes ani
right
eba eduro so a sa because eduro ni the final stage ya mo eduro a utimi hwe ho nti e ho no so no but the ehun ni say majority na ye bibia friend extortion
okay
extortion
right
say wa hu say adi we e wo health insurance but still majemo it won't say pay for the what's wrong crown
omunim nje individual workers
no individual
what facilities no and omu this adwuma
and this adwuma okay obi kra ka say sometimes emergency service so
almost bi
but nyina no we are investigating ye dey so atofo eti
chreyen so oba bi come maternity niema ben na health insurance no e cover wo ho na se de wenso na en cover nti se ye bisa ne bibisa oba no sebio se on take health insurance process na se kra wa hunu se we de ya ka se enkan ho
yo ye ba no uko maternity awo mu bibia health insurance fa ho ka even including CS.
Oh, okay.
This is nipa ni CS on your no ne pen or the way ni CS health insurance fa ho. Any other drug be health insurance bia what be boama AAD sa nipa ne be wo no health insurance fa ho.
Right.
Nti no. Na mom so omo won hihye wo ho a e bi om so wo kọ call sheet bi we ye be hia na e dey accept so eno de agreement between wo wo kọ wo no ene oba no.
Okay.
I know they are no yasam.
Okay.
Mo amasam. Na numpo no communication. Woni ne nka no ntiase. That is why e bi o ha mo kọ omo antenatal na ye no mo discuss. It e bi asemra we sabe adwuma mo ye no. But say sa niema no nipa na to aba. Na wo san apa ho asa agi ni sika bi o de.
And health insurance
Derby.
Okay. Now that day, the last time I was back in May also, now we can say man notify bibi so a friend of doctor's appreciation.
Sure.
Omojeje says can you cry say e be as much as thousands and then
yeah.
And also one something saying
situation ya me catch ya we ye hu. Okwai no o say in the theater, you do 800 without receipt. Mammy Saska, you do ya say, I will say a theater fee. You need to be also a friend theater fee in health insurance. You didn't feel why about recovery. Recovery so you're getting 250 cedis. And also your recovery fee. Hey, what far? What far?
There be a video more yam.
I said me ni more deal. Ni more deal. See, I feel now being for na alarm kakra. Say, hey, the way that's what munyai. Na then asra omo yes hard way. Because you shouldn't do it. And mami nka say, ye nipa. O corner nipa somwa. You have every right to appreciate. I know there. Sebi,
but say you voluntary.
I say you voluntary. Sebi mi aba hey, wa ma kwan. Si em be ye adwuma. Wan kasa obaji escape. Na me wie na sebi insurance for say o minji bibi na tonso a. Eye wo, eye me na me fi me pemu aye. But say obagina so be charge. With this situation hey, why did 800 without receipt? Why did 300 without receipt?
There be. And I'm omu so I'm the bill and so be health insurance.
Health insurance be
na health insurance asan etua eno. Enti na je nipa ba ko ho no na je ombenya sika bebre and me Mr. say health insurance ninti facilities ni kwan say ombe charge say omo no de omo provide services
yes
enti no omo no charges bi ombe tima charge outside health insurance and na say so long as any panikita card nko ade oni sika to nkwanta omapai
any other charge bia should be in the exclusion list.
Okay, and no exclusion list here dey way
say bi awo no o pese ye de bibi ene ye de eboa ma wo what you say apart from cesarean no say ye gi wawo na ye pai we yi wawo no bi awo no o pese ye treat you wo VIP no ebia na wo kọ no eniema omo request ya wa wo ne omo kai omo tiase from efie no wa fa nko nti anu de no ya ju sika ye wa na wa ye because already they've told you
okay
na wa fa mba
right
but aside that no any other thing bia from time I bet you wa to edru ye de be no most of the drone but am making we say ya okọ edro mienu ene de na bia a crucial man any health insurance je no ye hwe ni ye list no anim je no bako exclusive list no exclusive list no eno no ni ye dem je no ye je hu sika eno po wi o ka cho so mienu de any health insurance enti de ye sika but 8 ni de aka no ehu hia se ye beje obibia
okay
because 8 no ho cost no e che ho ye je extra money bia na aska no enko ba bia na Trexa hospital so no ye ni say okay sadia ye mfa bankers no betra ho nti bank for na beji scan jenye na yaji but still you have done extortion because our buy no say 5 money pan free now all the bank receipt and the agenda is it not the same thing? The same thing it's a best okay say omanfo nsha no so say yes see health insurance fan kwa free nipa no ese onya ho mfaso eti se ka bia wo ho a ye mpayimfo na ese oni omo kotrate
na omo
ko hu mpayimfo na omo ni omo akotrate na aka na asomdwa ba
the other day na